What is up, all you beautiful people? What's up, you guys? Sorry this video took so long. I'm sorry. I apologize. But you guys came through and y'all chose a big burger with chili cheese fries, onion rings, zucchini. We got a whole lot of ranch. We got some yellow peppers and a Dr. Pepper. Hashtag DP all day. So I went to Foster's. Our usual little burger joint was closed. I was like, what the heck? So I guess they sold it, somebody else bought it, and now they're gonna do like a re-grand opening or some shit. I don't know. But let's dig in because your girl's hungry. Now these chili cheese fries look bomb, you guys. Like, look at that. Don't look at my hands, okay? My little spirit fingers are gone. I took my nails off. Let's dig into these. They look so good. Oh! Huh. Oh, yeah. Their chili here is so bomb. I should have got a chili cheese dog because they're my favorite from there. So how has everybody been? I would like to apologize for my absence. You guys, if you saw my community post, and then you've seen I have been packing. And because we are moving. It's really bittersweet. Like, we love this house. Love it. We love the location. We love the property. Well, there went that, right? We love the property. We've been here, I mean, for so long. I'm gonna go bacon burger. It's a bacon cheeseburger. We've been here so long. Bubba and I built our relationship in this house. We have so many amazing memories here. As you guys know, the house was just like freshly remodeled. New carpet, new kitchen, new stairs, but unfortunately things happen. When it's out of your control, there's really nothing you can do. So we are moving. We've known we were moving for a while. It's just something you never really want to accept, you know? Especially with the way the housing market is right now. It's insane. But it is what it is. I'm looking forward to the future. I'm looking forward to new opportunities. You know, I just built my studio and have been, you know, working in my studio for a year. Well, a little over a year. So I'm sad. Like, I was so happy and complacent working from home that it's going to be weird going back to a shop. But I will be returning to a shop at the beginning of August. Long days, late nights, here they come. So you guys, our lives have been really busy lately. Between work, packing, finding a new salon. Like, you guys, the house that we live in now is freaking huge. We're going from a 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom house to a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that that's not a big house, because it really is. Like, it's your average size house, you know? But going and having so much stuff, we have 3 living room sets. We have rooms that are just full, like, and you know what I mean? Like, decorated, and so we have to get rid of all this stuff. And it's just been a lot. But we're getting through it. Everything's, you know, we're getting rid of a bunch of stuff. I finished packing all my makeup today. It took me 3 days. So, I'm excited for new opportunities. On, I think, the 24th, we can go gut out the other house. And paint, put new floors. So I'm excited. It sucks because this house just finished with paint and new floors, and so we're gonna have to do it all over again, but I'm okay with that. You guys, I was so hungry. What did I eat today? I haven't eaten today. Nope. I remember because I was like, if I eat now, I'm not gonna be hungry to film, and I have to film. And that was at like 4 o'clock, so I was like, it's like 9 now. So I kept my mind busy and I just kept packing. And you know what's taking me so long? Is being OCD with packing. I had to take all my makeup containers and organizers, empty them, fully wash them. I think there's like maybe 20 of them. And that took me forever. Then I had to individually pack all my makeup. So I put them into bags, like my eyeliners, foundations, moisturizers, makeup palettes, everything you could think of, lipsticks. I had 2 whole gallon Ziploc bags full and 1 left out to use. So that's what's taking me so long. And I'm cleaning every individual piece of makeup that I have, so that whenever, you know, I move into the new house and I set up my new vanity, oh, I'm so excited. New vanity, with the big old Hollywood lights. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I have right now a black old Victorian style vanity. Papa bought it for me when we first got together. I think we were together like a year. So yeah. And I've had it ever since, and I don't want to let it go. But it's just, I have to. I have to let things go because I'm such a hoarder. So I'm letting it go. And I'm upgrading. We are also moving out of town. We will not be living in the current town we're living in anymore. So that's bittersweet because, you know, I've made friends here, you know, doing nails and stuff. Made friends with like restaurant owners and stuff like that, you know. So I'm gonna have to come all the way over here just to see them and get food. Big. That burn. Dude, I inhaled that bear. It was so good. My lipstick had no chance. Alright, you guys, I'm done here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. All my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for taking a chance on me on my ride or dies. You guys already know I'll see you. And yeah, I love you all, and I will see you in my next mukbang. Peace.